What's up, guys? It's Matthew from the Trace Triplets, and today I'm gonna be trying to do a front flip with 2 feet because I can only do it with one leg, which is a whipster. But since I'm gonna try it, I'm gonna try to surprise Zane and Rivaro next time when they come because they're out right now. And I decided to stay and try to do a front flip. And let's see if I can get it with 2 feet. So first, I'm gonna show you how easy it is for me with 1 feet. That's 1 feet. I'm gonna try both. Not sure how it's gonna end, but I don't know. Oh! Okay. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. Yes! Let's go! Go on with the shows and Rivaro next time. But now I have to relax. My legs are